Well, most lawyers are trained and are interested in lawsuits. That doesn't mean that we're not interested in lawsuits, but our focus has always been in trying to skillfully negotiate the best possible settlement for the client, so the client can make a comparison to what he and she may get if they go to court versus the best negotiated settlement. The benefit is, with a lawsuit, they're expensive, they take a long time, and perhaps more importantly, they carry with it unknown risk. There's no certainties in a lawsuit. But my competitors are much more comfortable in that forum. They're much more comfortable in the lawsuit process. And this doesn't always benefit the client. Quite often, because of the length of time in the lawsuit process and the huge cost of a lawsuit, that many times these people get less money that they take home. They may get a greater amount gross, but the key is, for the client, what do they get to take home? A skillfully negotiated settlement will almost always give a client more money to take home. Now, I know other lawyers are more comfortable with the lawsuits. We are more comfortable in attempting to get the best settlement possible for our clients that gives them the greatest opportunity to take the most money home without a protracted lawsuit and the trials and tribulations associated with that.
And you were talking earlier about some of the red flags that happen when a client tries to kind of take matters into their own hand before consulting with you. Do you want to talk about that a little bit as far as how you can help them in that regard?
Well, the key most often is that we do not charge anything for an initial consultation. To call us and ask some questions and determine what we might be able to do for you generally is the first move. Make a determination whether or not an attorney can be beneficial. When the individual starts attempting to negotiate the case themselves, they're in a forum or in a combative situation that they're unfamiliar with. We see many, many clients who come to us asking for assistance after they've attempted to negotiate their own settlement, but not knowing, quote unquote, the tricks of the trade, they've destroyed their case. They've said things that they don't believe are important.